Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making Rice Krispie treats. Now this is a super delicious, filling yet light snack that cooks up in minutes and makes itself in no time. Give this recipe a try when you're trying to create a healthy snack. So, let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Chef Vic and I'm really excited to show you how to make this really easy dessert. And the best part is that you only need 4 ingredients to make it. So let's dive in. In a large sauce pot, we want to add in 6 tablespoons worth of salted butter. Setting this pot over medium heat or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. We want to give the butter a stir in the pot until it's melted. And for this recipe in total, we're going to need 16 ounces worth of mini marshmallows, but we're going to pour in all of those marshmallows, but we're going to reserve 1 cup's worth of them for later on in the recipe. Let's reduce the heat to low and continue to stir the pot, mixing the marshmallows in with the butter until they have completely melted. Take your time with this and stay close to the pot as we want to continue to stir this to prevent any of the marshmallows from burning. Once the marshmallows have melted and completely mixed in with the butter, we want to remove the pot from the heat. And then we want to add in 1 teaspoon's worth of pure vanilla extract, stirring that into the rest of the ingredients. At this stage, we want to add in 6 cups worth of Rice Krispie cereal. We want to give this an initial mix to blend the marshmallow butter mix with the Rice Krispie cereal. And now we want to add in that 1 cup's worth of reserved mini marshmallows. Keep mixing all these ingredients together. The marshmallows you just added will melt slightly as you continue to blend these ingredients together. This creates the base for our Rice Krispie treats. You also want to line a 9-inch square baking pan with parchment paper. We're now going to pour this mixture into that prepared pan, gently pressing the mixture into the shape of the pan. And I want to stress gently because the harder you pack it in, the harder your Rice Krispie treats will turn out. So aim for a soft compression while you're fitting this into the pan. Now all you have to do is allow this mixture to set for 1 hour. After that hour, we want to remove the treats from the pan using the edges of the parchment paper to lift it out of the pan. And then we want to cut 9 large equal-sized squares from this batch. And with that, we're ready to serve this and enjoy. And just like that, you've made Rice Krispie treats right at home. And this recipe can honestly be used for any type of cereal. You can always use your own favorite brand of Rice Krispie cereal as well. Let me know down in the comments which cereal you'd like to try to make treats out of. But when you do try this recipe, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the link on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Victor and welcome to Chef Vic Cuisine. I like to share new recipes each and every week that you can make at home for yourself, your family, or your friends. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button too. And sharing is caring. So if you like this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I try to make this 5-star level dessert, my cherry pie. It's so good and I can't wait for you guys to try it at home. Well, thank you again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try when you get a chance. Make sure to subscribe to see more recipes just like this one. YouTube thinks you'll like this video, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.